Michael, I want to start with you. I don't know if I was that crazy about his rebuttal argument, but I did like that last point. He was talking about how the victim here has started powerlifting. She did not cry wolf, he is saying, as defense counsel was trying to argue, but she's powerlifting now, so nothing like this happens to her again. What did you think of that argument?
This victim really was raped. You sympathize for it, and she's a woman. She was, I mean, if it happened, right, she was overcome by a man who was significantly bigger than any man she's probably ever encountered, right? So you would sympathize with it. You know, I have a daughter, right? So obviously, you know, I would never want to see this happen to any woman ever, like ever, right? But in terms of his emotion, in terms of the efficacy of his closing argument, it was good. It was good. I think he was doing the best he could with the kind of the circumstantial nature of the evidence. It doesn't help their case. I've never seen a prosecutor have a perfect case. So the imperfections in this case, obviously, are the fact that the victim's mom was a rape nurse. She basically got ahead of the ball, let her colleagues know at the hospital, hey, she was raped. She's coming in to see you. You know, many years went by between the alleged incident and when the charges were posted. The charges were posted the day after it was announced that his team would go to the Super Bowl. I mean, so it's not a perfect case. So the prosecutor, I think, was doing the best he could. That last comment, to respond to your point, it was a good comment. You know, I mean, he was doing the best he could. But I feel like that's not going to be what the jury goes into the room with. Maybe it'll have some sort of a modicum of impact, but I just don't, you know, I think he was doing the best he could, and I think his closing arguments, I would rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate them a 7.